Hello students, this channel Articulate is meant for providing you every possible information as well as the curriculum which is required to you, that too timely and absolutely free. So do watch and join now. Now let us move towards the second assignment, that is MES 012 Education, Nature and Purposes. And here the first question is: explain education as a process of socialization and as a process of reconstruction of experiences. So here its answer could be in this way. You can listen it carefully. Accordingly, you can modify also. Before expliciting that education also plays a vital role of socialization and reconstruction of experiences, let's first of all try to understand as to what these two processes actually are. The process of learning to internalize the values and norms into itself, or the mode of learning to live in society, is called as process of socialization. Moreover, this process of socialization is a lifelong process. The inculcation of values and principles continues lifetime. It enables an individual to enact his or her roles and perform his duties. Whatever duties or roles an individual performs and in what manner, this is all designed and decided by this process of socialization only, as the way he or she enacts, expresses his or her social nature only. And now, obviously, these all learned behaviors under the process called socialization is actually a part of education only. Beginning from the womb and going till the tomb, this entire socialization passing through oral, anal, Oedipal and adolescent stages actually is representing the contribution and functions of education only for the same. Who can expect or imagine the making of a civilized person, a responsible family member, a devoted nationalist if he or she is not educated? This is the lack of proper education only that many illiterates, and more than that, the irresponsible literates, are proving their lack of wisdom through one or the other miserable conducts. So we can say that education in itself is a social process. It prepares individuals to lead a meaningful and dignified life. Together with other social forces, it plays an important role in shaping the structure of society. This is education only through which society imparts its knowledge, skill, values and behavioral patterns to its younger generation. In this sense, education is a process of socialization. Education prepares the society members to adapt with the consistently changing conditions of any society. And now, the point that education also acts as a process of reconstruction of experiences is also absolutely true. Whatever an individual learns through the process of socialization definitely gives one or many experiences to the learner. But many a times it also happens with various sensible and curious learners that they prefer and accept the need to change or modify their concepts, transform their personality and recode their role in society. This all happens and becomes possible when they achieve the gift of reconstruction of experiences. Infancy, youth, adult life all stands on the same educative level, in the sense that what is learned at any and every stage of experience constitutes the value of that experience, and in the sense that it is the chief business of life at every point to become enriched. Suppose a child plays with a bee, presuming it as a toy, and when it stings and he gets hurt, he will learn now with this experience and would never repeat this behavior again in life. Similarly, anything which produced positive results will be done repeatedly. Reconstruction of experiences actually leads to a shift from behavioral paradigm to cognitive paradigm. This cognitive processes includes the memory retention of thoughts and feelings, problem solving, etc.
Alright, alright, alright.